This is Philips BT100 Bluetooth speaker, which is almost 8 years old, and it has a problem with this button, which is not working. So I would like to open inside and try to repair it, but I cannot find any video how to open, how to remove the back part of it. So I would like you to show. There are 3 holes which are not visible, so you can try to find it with a screwdriver, and you can easily find these 3 holes. Probably the holes are same in your devices too, so you can remove the screws and easily open that part, and you can fix your device. Thanks.